Hi, my name is Lydia Abbott, and today I'm going to show you how you can overcome Monday.com's group creation limitation with AI. Have you ever wanted to automatically create a group on a specific day of the week or date, only to realize that Monday.com's native automation doesn't support it? Well, there's good news. Workflow automations and AI bridges the gap. Let's walk through the limitation and how we solve it. Step 1. The limitation in native automations. Let's start by setting up a standard Monday.com automation for group creation. When we go to automate, create group, we have a generic options. Either it's every day we can create a group, or when a button is clicked, we can create a group. But here's the problem. Monday.com's built-in automation doesn't allow us to create a group based on a specific day of the week, like every Monday, or dynamically adjust for exact dates. Step 2. The workflow automations and AI solutions. Now let's see how we fix this with AI-powered automations. With workflow automations and AI, we can create a group every week on a set day or even generate groups labeled with specific dates automatically. For example, I'll set up an automation to create a new group every Monday, and we're going to name it Weekly Tasks with the date. We'll auto-populate the tasks based on the preset template, adjust dynamically based on calendar weeks. Now, instead of manually creating groups or dealing with rigid automations, AI makes it effortless. If you've ever felt stuck with Monday.com automations limitations, this is your answer. Workflow automations and AI give you full control over time-based group creation, saving time, and keeping your boards structured. What other gaps in Monday.com automation would you love to solve? Let's chat in the comments.